Your 20s are a decade of opportunity, but they're also when many Americans make significant financial mistakes. Let's dive into the top 5 pitfalls to avoid. This decade often brings major life changes, from starting a career to tackling student debt. Navigating these challenges successfully sets the stage for future financial freedom. We're going to review 5 common missteps so you can learn how to avoid them and build a strong financial foundation right from the start. The first major mistake is burying your head in the sand regarding student loan debt. This debt won't just disappear. It is critical to understand your loan terms, interest rates, and all available repayment options, whether income-driven or standard. Delaying payments or only paying the minimum can lead to interest rapidly accumulating, making your overall debt burden much larger over time. Mistake number 2 is failing to budget, especially as you experience lifestyle creep. This happens when increased income is immediately met with increased spending. As your paycheck grows, it's easy to upgrade your apartment, car, or daily expenses without realizing the long-term impact on your savings potential. Tracking where every dollar goes is non-negotiable. Knowing your spending habits is the first step toward controlling them and ensuring you live within your means. Mistake number 3, neglecting retirement savings. When you're in your 20s, retirement seems decades away, but this is the most valuable time to start. Thanks to compounding interest, the money you save today has decades to grow exponentially. This is the single biggest advantage your age gives you. Prioritize maxing out any employer match in a 401k and consistently contributing to an IRA. Every dollar saved now is worth far more than a dollar saved later. Mistake number 4 is falling into the trap of high-interest credit card debt. Easy access to credit can quickly become a devastating financial burden. Only paying the minimum on high-interest debt means most of your payment goes straight to interest, keeping you stuck in debt for years and wasting thousands. Focus on paying off your balances in full every month. If you already have debt, target the highest interest cards first using the debt snowball or avalanche method. The final mistake is not building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected events can derail your financial plan without a safety net. Your goal should be to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible, high-yield savings account. This fund prevents you from taking on high-interest debt, like credit card debt, when faced with a medical bill, job loss, or car repair. By recognizing and avoiding these 5 common mistakes, you can navigate your 20s with confidence and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, tackle student loans, stick to a budget, start saving for retirement immediately, avoid high-interest credit card debt, and build that emergency fund. The sooner you implement these habits, the more time you give your money to work for you. Start smart. Start now.